All right, page 148 in our World and Space book. Is air something? Air doesn't seem to be made of anything. It has no color, taste, or smell, and you can see right through it. But it is made of something. It is made up of many kinds of gases, and these gases are made up of tiny, tiny things called molecules. Actually, everything is made up of molecules: rocks, plants, animals, water, and gases. The molecules in a rock are packed close together and hardly move. The molecules in a liquid, such as water, are farther apart and move rather fast. But the molecules of a gas are quite far apart and zip about rapidly. That's why gases are so thin and invisible. For us, the most important of all the gases in the air is the one called oxygen. The only reason we breathe is to get oxygen into our bodies. We couldn't live without it. Almost every kind of animal and plant in the world must have oxygen or it will die. Only about 1/5 of the air is made up of oxygen. Most of the air, nearly 4/5 of it, is a gas called nitrogen. The rest of the air is made up of many different gases. There is also a great deal of water vapor and bits of dust floating in the air, but these things are not really part of the air itself. If air is just thin, floating gases, why doesn't it drift away into outer space? What keeps the gases from just floating away until they are gone? The answer to that is gravity. Earth's gravity pulls at all the molecules of air just as it pulls at you. The air can no more float off into space than you can. You can prove that air is made up of something, that it takes up space. Turn a glass upside down and push it straight down into a bowl of water. The water won't fill up the glass because air is trapped in the glass. Turn the glass on its side so the air can escape. You will see bubbles of air rush out of the glass. Now the glass will fill up with water. You have proved that air is made up of something that makes up space.